Cyclone Anika is about ready for another landfall in Madagascar. The storm just reformed after weakening over the just over the coastline of Madagascar. Now with winds of 40 miles per hour and wind gusts up to 50 miles per hour. It is not yet a Category 1, but it is currently a tropical storm right now. Storm is expected to reach winds of potentially only 45 miles per hour, sustained, which would make it a minimal Category 1 tropical cyclone, according to the SWIO scale in the Indian Ocean. That would be still a tropical storm on the Saffir-Simpson scale, but that's used in the Atlantic Ocean, so as long as we're in the southern hemisphere, we use the SWIO. Storm, after landfall, is expected to weaken pretty much just as quickly as it did from the first landfall. Impacts from this storm system should be pretty minimal. The worst of it probably going to be just some heavy rainfall that could reach maybe 6 to 12 inches of rain maybe, and some locally gusty winds that might bring some scattered power outages, and a very minor storm surge, but nevertheless coastal concerns are still a bit of a concern for the coastline of Mexico. Really, this storm system is not going to be that much different than a nor'easter a weak nor'easter in New England, except we all know tropical cyclones are clusters of thunderstorms are made up of clusters of thunderstorms instead of heavy snowfall and all that. So Australia is not under that much danger. It's a very minimal tropical cyclone. Damage should remain pretty marginal in the area, but definitely could bring some impacts to whatever plans. Travel may be difficult as well. I'll bring you up to date. Landfall expected pretty soon, within the next 12-24 hours. Stay tuned.